Yo, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the new Richie Lee collection Cargo 2.0 pants. Plus, I also got an Sb Grail in the mail today I wanted to share with you guys. These are two items I've been looking forward to for a while now. The Richie Lee collection pants came out about 2 weeks ago and they finally came in today. And the Sb Grail is a pair that I've had numerous times already since I've been collecting, but now I finally got them back in my possession in the exact format that I want them. I just wanted to take a quick moment to thank the people who have subscribed to the channel and for those who've been watching the videos and supporting the content that I've been putting out. Alright guys, so I've been a big fan of the pieces that Richie Lee collection has been putting out. I feel like it's a lot of good cut and sew pieces. I was a big fan of the cargo pants because it's pretty hard finding a good fitting pair of cargo pants with additional elements to help bring the fit together. So I'm going to be giving you guys my honest opinion on them, about the quality, the fit, how they look, and also how I'm going to be styling them. Alright guys, so first item we're going to be looking at is going to be these Richie Lee cargos right here. Judging off the packaging alone, they don't feel too heavyweight, so it's probably going to be a good pants for the spring-summer season. And let's go ahead and take a look at them. Richie Lee's. So here's how they look held up right here. As you can see, it's going to be a nylon material, a textured nylon, kind of like a ripstop material. You have the two pockets on the top and then pockets down on the calves as well. You have button closures, snap button closures down the hem. This is going to make sure that you get the right fit for your sneakers. So basing it just off the touch right here, the nylon does seem pretty thick. I'm not sure exactly if this material is going to be very breathable, so I don't know how it's going to be during spring and summertime. There are a couple of ventilation holes around here. The only thing, my only gripe with these are, I wish they had an actual waistband, just because with cargo pants, you're going to have a lot of things in your pockets. Your pants are going to start riding down, and I feel like having a belt would help keep your pants up, but that's just me. But what I think I appreciate the most about these pants is probably the attention to detail, where the pockets are placed, which ones have buttons and which don't. It's all very simple styling, even down to the tag, and I think that makes the piece really clean. Something else that's great that I mentioned earlier is probably the tapered buttoning system down at the hem. Basically, these button placements, they allow you to open up the hem or close the hem as much as you want, depending on the type of fit you want for the type of shoes that you have. The only thing I would probably change about this design is probably putting another piece of fabric underneath where the buttons are, just to keep the hem together in case you do open them up all the way. Just because if you open them up all the way, they tend to flare out on one side and it just drapes over your sneakers and it's not a really good look. Chances are pretty high, you guys, that someone's going to hashtag Nike Talk Denim or say you stole Michael Jordan's jeans if you wear them flared out this much. Here I went with a simple orange flannel and a pair of shattered backboard ones. I wanted to highlight how these pants stacked on top of ones because I know that's how a lot of you guys are going to wear them. Because the nylon used for these pants are a little bit thicker material, they stack up really nicely on top of the Jordan ones. They're not too flimsy. Next fit here is going to be a lot more casual, guys. We're just going with a Babe Shark hoodie and some Atmos Air Max 1s. Runners are definitely no exception for these pants, guys. With the snap button hem, you could adjust it to how you want. Here I'm going to show you with them open and then all the way closed. With the buttons fully closed, you definitely get enough taper so that the stacks sit right on top of the shoe. This gives you that running pants look. This next fit is something that I would definitely wear on the regular. We have a Travis Scott Las Vegas concert tee along with the Travis Scott Air Force 1s. And since this is a bulkier shoe, I would prefer to wear them unbuttoned at the bottom just so that they drape over the top. If you guys are digging that swoosh placement for the Travis Scott Forces, please hit that like button. Alright guys, so after trying on the cargos with numerous outfits, numerous pairs of shoes, my impressions are that I really like the way that they look. They sit on top of the shoes really well. The snap button hem definitely does give you that versatility to wear different types of shoes with the pants. The only thing I disliked about it was the waistband. After putting stuff in my pocket and walking around, I did find that they slipped down a lot. However, the quality of the waistband is pretty good, so it is pretty tight so that your pants don't just all the way slip down. The pants are definitely comfortable. In terms of fit, I feel like the pants do have a little bit of a slimmer fit. Not exactly skinny, but slim. I do recommend going true to size, and for guys that are a little bit shorter like me, I do tend to roll the waistband up just so that it doesn't stack too much at the bottom. The pants were definitely very good quality. The snap buttons were all very tight. It was kind of hard to actually pop them on and off. The nylon material is pretty thick so that the pants do lack ventilation and breathability. It was about 85 degrees today when I wore them, and they were definitely getting hot. I would classify the construction of these pants similar to a jogger pants just because they don't have back pockets or a traditional waist or zipper. This sort of makes the pants kind of hard to take off just because the waist is a little bit higher. Plus, it'd be nice to have a zipper for you know what. All in all, I definitely recommend these pants. Something I wasn't aware of was that these pants were kind of hard to get. I didn't know people were having a hard time checking out on the website. I was able to check out with the pants in under 10 seconds. I think for you guys in the future, if you ever want to buy anything off Richie Lee's site, I think the best thing to do is have a Shopify account set up. Once you have a Shopify account set up, all you have to do is put in your email and then verify with a text code. After you're able to verify with the text code, all your information is filled out and all you need to do is complete order. All in all, I'm very impressed with the pants. I like the high quality, the attention to detail, and I'm going to be looking forward to more Richie Lee pieces in the future. And I hope that this detailed look gives you guys a better idea of how the pants are if you do want to get them in the future if they ever restock. Alright you guys, that's going to wrap up my review of the Richie Lee pants. Let's get on to our next part of the video, which is the SB pickup. Alright guys, and I'm super excited to get this pair in. It's coming in from the ISS homie Philip from San Diego. Let's just go ahead and take a look. Alright you guys, so these are the Nike Sb Sabotages right here. These released back in 2006 and were an Asia exclusive. They were made in collaboration with Mark Ong, aka Mr. Sabotage, which is how they got their name. Back then, Nike SB was really big on collaborating with artists. Mark Ong is an artist and also a sneaker customizer. They gave him full clearance to do what he wanted, and he took this shoe to another level. So these did originally release in a black box, but this pair is exclusive to the Royal Fam, which is the friends and family pair for Mark Ong. So the friends and family pairs were given out to Mark's acquaintances, but a limited number that were left over was sold on his website for $500. Just like the shoe, the box has a ton of detail all pertaining to Mark's artwork and branding. The shoe itself is definitely a piece of art, having a ton of different materials and textiles on the shoe as well as patterns, colors. The pattern that you see here on the mudguard and the eyelets is an olive leaf pattern. Directly on the toe box is Sabotage's signature. Right under it is a grip tape material that also wraps around the heel. The shoe is then set off with a gold swoosh, and right under it is going to be the Royal Fam symbol along with other graphics made by Mark Ong. Just like the Nike SB Golfs, the tongue does have a flap with the Royal Fam symbol on it. There is artwork from Mark Ong also in the lining and insole. This is the same artwork that's featured inside the Royal Fam box as well. I want to say this is probably my 5th pair of Nike SB Sabotages that I've had in the collection. I've been collecting since about 2005 now. They've come and they've gone. They've been beat, and I'm so glad to have these back in my collection again. But one thing you guys haven't realized yet is Nike SBs are pretty old in age. These are from 2006, and as you can see here, the grip tape material is starting to deteriorate. So the material gets really sticky, it's easy to smudge, and it also starts cracking as shown here. So I spoke with Mark Ong about this problem through Instagram, and we came up with a solution that may work. I'm going to be giving it a try in a couple weeks, and I'll let you guys know how it is. Alright you guys, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope this video helped you in deciding whether or not the Richie Lee cargo is going to be right for you. It's definitely a piece that I'm going to be throwing into the rotation a lot more. If you guys want to see my fits, what shoes I'm wearing for the day, what restoration projects I'm working on, go ahead and check out my Instagram. My Instagram is the same as my YouTube, @ShotsByMikey. Definitely I'm going to be looking forward to a lot more Richie Lee collection pieces. Hopefully I can pick some up in the future and review them for you guys. I hope I was able to teach some of the newer sneakerheads what the Nike SB Sabotages are, what they look like, the history behind them. And a few viewers have contacted me asking whether or not I'm accepting a restoration request, and I'm going to address it now. Yes, I am. Best way to contact me is going to be through Instagram DM. We could go into details, talk about pricing, and yeah, just hit me up on there. And if you guys like today's video, please hit that subscribe button. It would help me out so much. Hit the like button, drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think about the cargo pants, the fits. Let me know what you think about the Nike Sb Sabotages, or just say hello. I'll catch you guys next time.